Hello everyone, I'm Sai Nikhilesh, one of the directors at Bnewmobiles Private Limited. We have 75 stores across Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. We are one of the fastest and most trusted stores in AP and Telangana. Speaking of which, we have the most excited, newly launched Mi 10 with us. Bnewmobiles has been associated with Xiaomi from past few years, and we're always excited for their new flagship phones like Mi 10. We've been seeing a lot of buzz and enthusiasm around social media about this product. Let's wait no further and go ahead and unbox this beast. Mi 10. Just the way the box is designed is wonderful. Flashy Mi 10 logo with Snapdragon 865 and 5G, along with beautiful specifications on the back. Let's not wait further and dig deeper into the product. Okay, I see wow, a very nice back case, looks good. It's a green color. Wow, looks good. It comes with 108 megapixel, as you can see here. Before we get into phone specifications, let's see what we have in the box. And we have a Type-C to 3.5 mm converter. We have a Type-C cable. And we have a massive 30-watt power adapter. On the front we have 20 megapixel micro dot camera, and on the back we have this massive 108 megapixel camera. It's very great for not just a normal usage of phone for cameras, but also for professionals. The surprising fact, we can take 8K videos and photos in it. It has 3D curved display in the front and in the back, which helps us hold it very easily. I'm just turning it on. Let's see what it has. Wow. Here you see the micro camera, which is barely visible. Wonderful. And when the display is on, you can clearly tell about how well the 3D design is laid off in this phone. It has E3 AMOLED display and one of the fastest in the market with 90 Hz refresh rate. It's a very sleek design with great stereo speakers. There's one in the front on the top, another one in the bottom. Speaking of gamers, we have one of the most powerful Qualcomm 865 processor in it. Speaking of gaming, we have vapor chamber liquid cooling technology. This phone is equipped with 4780 mAh battery with it. It also has 30-watt wired and wireless charging. Another interesting factor in it is it has 10-watt reverse charging. This wonderful phone is not only for a common user, but also for a professional photographer and a professional gamer. I'm most excited to use this for myself. I'm sure you are too. If you really want to use this and take hands-on experience on it, please walk into our stores. They are in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. You can also visit our website www.bnewmobiles.com. You can also WhatsApp us at this number. Thank you all for tuning in to experience this wonderful smartphone with me. Thank you.